Welcome to Lesson 7. Let's get started. Our gold strategy has been performing for 10 days and has only traded 3 times. But let's get a head start and compare the results in strategy quant versus the real results in the demo account. First, let's go into the data manager and update our data for gold. So we're going to click on Data Manager, on the symbol name, click on Dukascopy Data, download data for existing symbol, put all time, then click on Start Download. Next, we're going to load our strategy into the retester up here. We're going to click on the dates, and our trades started on May 10th, and the last trade, the third trade, completed on the 16th. After that, we're going to press Start, and we can see here the profit is $18.65. The demo profit is $18.40. We can also use a tool that Strategy Quant offers called the Quant Analyzer 4. We load both of our strategies and the data. In the red is the live results, and in the green is the Strategy Quant backtesting results. We can see that the equity lines are following each other. And then in this example, the live results are slightly better. With this type of result after 10 trades, we can feel confident to deploy this into a real money account. I will show you how to do that in the next lesson.